If your dreams are big and your goals are bold, you're a future leader. Ready to step up? Let's make it happen. Effective leadership is more than just a title. It's about inspiring trust, fostering collaboration, and driving innovation. Leaders aren't born. They're made through experience, learning, and the right opportunities. That's where we come in. The Education Research Technology and Human Welfare Organization is offering an unparalleled chance to elevate your leadership game. Join our online International Leadership Workshop on October 13, 2024. Think about it. You'll gain essential skills to guide teams, make critical decisions, and manage resources efficiently. You'll be the catalyst for positive change, empowering others and driving progress in your organization. Why wait? Register now because seats are limited. Unlock your potential and become the leader you were always meant to be. Remember, great leaders don't just happen, they're forged through dedication and the right opportunities. This is yours.